Okay pala ito pang rotation. Kain muna tayo. Oh, ang galing ng ano ko. Assistant ko. Mga vloggers yan.
Also, we would like to inform you that we have a photo man roaming around. We will take your photos. Let's celebrate Mr. Robert C. Let's give him the biggest round of applause, everybody. Hello, sir. Happy birthday. It's so wonderful to see you. Everybody, please give the biggest round of applause for Boss Robert. Ladies and gentlemen, the big man himself, our birthday boy, Mr. Robert C., the chairman of the board of art of YC Prime Venture Incorporated. Hi everyone! Hello sa mga nasa likod po, kaway-kaway. Can you see me here? Ayan, hello. Magandang gabi po sa lahat. And welcome po to the 72nd birthday of none other than Boss Robert. Everybody, can we give him a very big round of applause, please? Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to especially acknowledge the presence of Senior Superintendent Rolando Anduyan, former Major General of Philippine National Police. Alam niyo po, I mentioned it before, how very lucky we all are to be together yearly to celebrate Boss Robert's birthday. And tonight, I just want to see what is the relationship of everyone who's here. Lagi tayong marami pagka naiimbita tayo, pero gusto mo lang pong malaman ngayong gabi how closely related we are to the birthday celebrant. One more time, everybody, put your hands together for Boss Robert and the happy family here in front of Doris. The granddaughter of Boss Robert, Audrey C. Hello, Audrey. We always look forward to hearing your songs each year. So, ladies and gentlemen, while we are having dinner, if you may please direct your attention as well to the stage. And now let us all together listen to the serenade of Audrey C. Let's give her a big hand, everybody.
72nd birthday.
And for this first set, we are going to give 1,000 pesos. 325612. Please go to the stage po, the dance floor. Our next winner is 325639. But before we do, is there anyone in here who would like to give a special message to Boss Robert? Anyone?
More powers, and Taytay is very blessed to have a developer and a businessman like you. And more powers and God bless you all.
So hintayin lang natin matapos. Photo session here on the side. Don't worry, to the rest of our special guests at the back, iikutan po kayo ni Boss Robert later on. Sir Bobby, according to your parents, ikaw na lang daw. Okay, may I request you to please just give a very short message na po as we close the birthday program.
Crab! Sarap! Tapos ito, yummy. Sarap! Wala talaga pinunta ko rin. Next. Ano ang tawag ito?
Masashi.